Now let's take a look at how we can add some audio feedback to your prototype. And we're going to use a piezo buzzer right here. They're very common. You can get them almost anywhere online, and they're fairly cheap. This may be the easiest amount of code and demo that I'm going to have in all my videos. We're actually going to write one line of code. So let's start by wiring this up. I'll pick any spot in the breadboard, and I will run one lead. And if you noticed, there's no polarity to these, so it doesn't matter which goes to which. Just make sure you hook them up to ground, and I'll hook the other one up to any PWM pin. And if you look on the Arduino, you can see the PWM pins have the little tilde before them. So I'll pick 6. That's it. It's wired up. Now let's look at the code. This example, I just want to make the Arduino beep a specific tone for a certain period of time, and I'm going to use the tone function. So the first thing we need to do is define the pin that we're going to be using, and I'll do pin mode 6 because we have it wired up to pin 6, and I will say that's an output pin. And the next line we're going to add is tone. And with the tone, you're going to define the pin, the frequency, and its duration. So we'll do pin 6, its frequency. Let's just pick 1,000 for now. I don't even know what that's going to sound like. And we'll do duration of 2 seconds. So that will be 2,000 milliseconds. And that is it. My board is right. My port is right. Let's go ahead and upload this code. It's going to ask me to save it. So I'll just call it tone 1. And I will save that and upload it. It's uploading. There it is. It played a tone on pin 6 for 2 seconds. Let's change that 1,000 to 2,000 and upload it. A much higher tone. And that's really all there is to know about creating a tone with your Arduino.